A bitter cold wave continues to sweep across the state of Ohio as light snowfalls and Arctic wind chills affect millions of residents. As of this morning, January 18th, large portions of Ohio are experiencing freezing conditions, with temperatures ranging from 5 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit. When factoring in wind chills, it feels even colder, dropping below zero in several areas. While snowfall has remained light and scattered, the persistent cold has created icy conditions on roads, sidewalks, and exposed surfaces throughout the state. Cities including Columbus, Cleveland, Dayton, and Akron are reporting thin blankets of snow, measuring between 1 to 2 centimeters over the past 24 hours. Although this is not considered a major snowstorm, the impact on daily life is real. Morning commutes have slowed due to black ice and reduced visibility. Public works crews have been working through the night to treat roads, focusing on high-traffic areas and bridges where ice tends to form quickly. The snow currently affecting Ohio is part of a broader winter weather system, moving across the Great Lakes and Midwest regions. According to weather experts, the state will continue to see flurries and overcast skies throughout the next 48 hours. A secondary push of cold air is expected by the weekend, which could trigger lake-effect snow in northeastern parts of Ohio, particularly in areas near Lake Erie, such as Mentor, Euclid, and the outskirts of Cleveland. These bands of lake-effect snow can be highly localized, causing sudden and heavier accumulations in narrow zones. Across the state, local governments have taken steps to keep communities safe. Cities like Parma, Elyria, and parts of Cuyahoga County have issued temporary emergency parking bans along snow routes to allow snowplows to operate efficiently. Officials urge residents to avoid parking on designated routes and to monitor city alerts. Police departments have also reported minor traffic accidents, most of them related to vehicles sliding off icy roads or failing to stop at intersections due to reduced traction. Fortunately, no serious injuries have been reported as of today. In terms of official guidance, transportation authorities recommend that drivers reduce their speed, keep extra distance between vehicles, and avoid unnecessary travel during the early morning or late night hours when temperatures are at their lowest. Pedestrians are advised to walk with caution, especially in shaded areas where ice may not be visible. School districts have sent notices to parents regarding proper winter gear for students and potential delays in bus schedules depending on road conditions. Despite the cold, Ohio's current weather remains moderate compared to other parts of the country. To the east, several counties in New York have declared states of emergency due to intense lake-effect snowstorms. Meanwhile, the Midwest continues to face sub-zero temperatures in states like Minnesota and Wisconsin, where power outages and blizzard-like conditions have disrupted daily life. In contrast, Ohio is experiencing a more stable but prolonged phase of winter, defined by cold air, cloudy skies, and light to moderate snowfall. The extended forecast suggests that these conditions will remain through at least the weekend. Highs are expected to stay below freezing, with nighttime lows reaching single digits. There is a chance for another brief wave of snowfall late Friday into Saturday, though current models do not indicate any significant accumulation. Meteorologists will continue to monitor changes in wind direction, as even a slight shift could enhance lake effect activity along the northern corridor of the state. Residents are advised to remain alert and prepared, stocking up on winter supplies, using salt on driveways, and ensuring vehicles are winter ready can make a significant difference in safety. Pets should also be brought indoors, as exposure to freezing temperatures can be dangerous within minutes. For those who must travel, it is essential to keep an emergency kit in the car, including blankets, a flashlight, and extra batteries.